Cheers. It's Japanese term for cheers, mermaid. Ready? In 1, 2, 3. Come
Here today beside you. Hi. I am overwhelmed by the journey that has led us to this moment. We have walked together through laughter and tears, through triumphs and trials. And with each step, my love for you has deepened in ways I never thought possible. I promise to love you, not just for who you are today, but for who you will grow to be tomorrow and every day after. I vow to be patient with your dreams and gentle with your fears, knowing that together we are stronger than anything life can. I vow to never stop learning about you, to discover new things about you, with the same excitement as when we first met. I will listen to your words and the silences in between, always seeking to understand the depth of your mind. In times of joy, I will laugh with you. In times of sorrow, I will weep with you. In all things, I will stand by you, unwavering and unafraid, because I know that together we can fix it. Thank you for being my person, my love, my home. I am so honored to walk through life with you, and I can't wait to see where this journey takes us.
Hindi, pero Rona, anak ka na rin kita eh. Diba? Sa pool naman simula. Alam mo, ang trato namin sa'yo, anak. Kahit hindi pa kayo kasal, ang trato namin sa'yo, anak. Yung nasimulan nyo, yun na yun eh. Kayo na magpapakibay nun. So, congratulations sa inyo. Kung ano man yung tahakin nyo, nasa likod nyo kami. Basta, lagi magsama. Yung samahan nyo, ayusin lang. Yung samahan nyo, pagpatuloy mo. At kahawa na rin naman ang pinagsamahan nyo sa years na. Alam nyo na yun. Mabuhay ka. Once again, congratulations.
Her story is literally kids falling in love with each other. Two people figuring out how to swim through the chaos adulting brings. I found you. You laughed, and suddenly the world felt warmer. You stayed, and my happy days felt lighter. You colored the parts of me I thought would stay gray forever. I once read a quote: "To love is to attend 1,000 births of their becoming, and to attend multiple funerals of what they used to be." Within those 7 years, that's what really happened. So we weren't perfect, but hey, looks like we made it. Look how far we've come lately.
Anak kita, pero ikaw anak na rin kita ha. Kung halimbawa man may alitan kayo, kasi sa mag-asawa hindi nawawala yan. Huwag kayong matutulog na hindi kayo nagkakabate. Ha? Kasi ano, mahirap matulog ng may samaan ng loob. Kaya na, nag-iisa kong prinsesa ang pinakamaganda.
Yeah.
Yes. Congrats. Sabi na, mahalin mo anak ko din ha. Huwag kang umiyak, di nga umiyak si Mami.
Ako yung naiiyak. Ako rin.
Kaya nga kinaya ko kasi nag-isa lang ako sila, Paris. Congrats, Ella.
Panganay na ako po. Alaga, ikaw, umpisa mo.
Wish ko sana hanggang mamatay kayo na lang.
Mga di mo nakakalam kababata ko si Jericho. Pero noong mga before pa na mga 9 years old, matalik na kaaway ko talaga siya. Tapos nung umuwi sila ng Mindoro, bumalik sila ng Manila, doon kami naging magkaibigan. Actually, yung Facebook ko, happy kami dalawa na. Pagka may katsa taong babae, nakikibasa siya. Ano mo?
Kuha lang ako ng tips.
Yun nga, since high school, college, magkaibigan na kami. Sa hirap at ginhawa, ML, or mobile games, lagi kami magkasama.
Hindi ba yung kinasal? Hindi ka na kaya.
Kaya napiyak ka naman ko.
Napiyak kanina.
Yun si Rona, alam ko naman na mahal nila yung isa't isa. So Rona, Jericho, i-enjoy nyo lang yung buhay kasama si Gray. Sana madagdagan na kayo.
Ay! No, please.
Ito yung lagi ko yung pagmamalaki sa mga makakasalam mo sa buhay na sobrang proud ako sa inyo. Eh, lagi-lagi ko kayo pagmamalaki.
Wait lang, ganun ba rin kasi? Ganun ulit lang.
Ano po, si Rona kababato.
Uy! Akin yun! Akin na yun!
Wala po, 9 years old. Okay naman sila. Si Rona po, mahal na mahal ko po yan. Si Eko, okay lang. Pero silang dalawa, love ko pa talaga sila. Message ko lang. Ayun, katulad na sinabi ng lahat, copy paste. Pag nag-away kayo, isipin nyo lang lagi si Lord tsaka si Grayson. Sana forever na kayo. And I know naman forever na kayo, syempre. Mahal na mahal ko kayong dalawa. Tsaka pag ayaw mo magsabi sa Eko, punta ka lang sa bahay namin. I got you. So, bitch. Si Rona po talaga, nung transfer siya sa Manila, sa Mariano, hindi naman sa una, pero isa sa mga unang nag-approach sa kanya. Kasi alam ko na...
Sa'yo?
Grabe.
Yung una.
Hindi na kurang ka.
Pagmamalaki.
Kailangan yung friend. So, doon nag-start yung friendship namin hanggang sa mabuo yung group namin dahil mga walang module yung iba siya. English yun, wala kayong module. Doon na buo ang simula. My message to you and to Jericho, I know that you guys are matured enough to handle your relationship, especially now that you are married. I'm really happy for both of you. Alam ko na ito yung family na pinangarap mo na buong family. So, ayan, binigay na sa iyo ni God. Because at the end of the day, si Gray, nandiyan. Kayo yung maging foundation na si Gray ay maging masaya at buo yung family niya. So, congratulations again, Jericho and Rona. Eko, love na love namin to. And since you're guys no married,
Akala...
Kaya congratulations ulit sa inyo. So, nakadami nyo na pagdaanan. 7 years, bihira na lang talaga yun ngayon. Ang dami nyo ng napag-awayan, pero nag-stick together pa rin kayo. Ako, ang wish ko sa inyo, mahanap niyo yung sarili yung secret of marriage. So, sana, pag lumaki tayo in 30s, 40s, 50s, makapag-birthwan pa tayo ulit na, alam mo, kasama pa kayo. Tapos makapag-birthwan tayo, ano yung naging secret niyo ng marriage? Bakit kayo pa din? Bakit pinangawakan niyo? Pinangako niyo sa isa-isa? So, pero wala ba? Ikaw din, kaya lang din sa Echo. Okay? Alam mo, nakikita ko sa pati na rin si Beth. Ikaw ba na talaga? So, first of all, congrats. Welcome sa Mary's Life. Paano kasama ko sa Mary's Life? Okay, nagbukas yung pinto. Wala akong masyadong masasabi. Because wala naman akong relationship, so wala akong nasa lang pinaka natutunan ko sa lahat na, of course, napanood, narinig, nabasa ko, is aside from loving each other, always remember to choose each other. Sa bawat pagising mo, bago kayo matulog, tayo yung pipigilin yung isa't isa. And of course, sabi nga ni Erica, for God and baby. So yeah, love you too.
Ayun lang, congratulations. Andiyan si Bebe sa... Pero andito kami para sa inyo. At para kay Bebe, hanggat kaya matutulungan din namin kayo. Ano bang pagsubukan sa buwan?
Careful.
Congratulations sa Bebe.
Ako po yung talaga
Si Tita Ami.
No, I don't know. Parang talagang unang kita ko lang kay Rona. Iba talaga yung...
Sabi mo,
Ano ba?
sabi mo kasi kailangan kung bago siya mapunta.
Matalino ko kay Rona. Sabi kasi matalino ako.
Oo, pinagagawa ko si Rona.
Pero totoo naman. No, pero yun, ano talaga, parang unang meet ko pa lang sa kanya, yung energy niya talaga is, talagang, una pa lang parang we're meant to be really close friends. Parang welcome na welcome siya.
Very artista, showbiz.
Sa life ko, parang gano'n. Parang,
PR dream.
inassume ko agad yung best friend ko na siya. Kaya sinama ko na siya sa akin. Ganun ka ganda yung energy ni Rona. And then, ayun, congratulations! I can't believe na meron na tayong unang kasal sa ating group. Pero ang masasabi ko na lang din na siguro, marriage tip na wala rin ako relationship, but nakukuha ko din as advice from my parents na always, yun nga, sabi nila, choose each other. And una din sa lahat is, don't break each other's trust. Na huwag kayo magsisinungaling kahit ang maliit na pagsisinungaling kasi it can blossom into something worse, di ba? So, yun, just never ever break each other's trust. At kahit man mahirap mag-usapan yung kanila mga problema niya. And congratulations, umabot pa rin kayo ng 7 years. And yun na lang papatuloy na sobrang kulat niyo sa isa't isa talaga. And until forever, di ba? Congratulations, thank you Jericho for taking care of Rona. And of course, Rona, papatik na din ako for taking care of Jericho. Yan. So, thank you. I really love you, Rona. Congratulations. Congratulations, Jericho.
Thank you so much po sa lahat na pumunta today. Kahit po na postpone yung wedding namin, supposedly po kasi ang wedding namin is 20. And na-postpone po siya dahil po may bagyo. And natuloy na po siya ngayon. Thank God for giving this beautiful day. Kasama po kayong lahat ng mga mahal namin sa buhay. Thank you so much po sa lahat ng messages nyo, sa pagmamahal nyo sa aming mag-asawa. Ngayon kasi sabi ko na, we are legally married.
Message for everyone is I would like to thank you for putting an effort giving your time for us during this big event on our life. So this is a once in a lifetime event, and then of course I would only want to spend this one with the love of my life, Ronabel. And so I'm really grateful for everyone, all of the people here are part of our journey, and we really cherish everyone na pumunta. This is to more events for the family that we will build. Hopefully, we can gather together again with another event. We would like also lahat na nandito is of course we would like to invite you guys again in the future wedding that we will be having. We might not have we don't have a plan yet regarding a church wedding, but sooner or later we'll be there, and all of you, we would want all of you to be there also. Okay? So yun lang naman ang gusto kong message, and I would really love to express my gratitude to everyone that is here commemorating this event. Thank you so much. Living life is a gift. It's full of uncertainty, trials, and craziness, and I'm so grateful that I will be with you through it all. Living life with you will be the greatest adventure, and I can't wait to spend my mornings sipping coffee with you. I love you so much.